Channel 546 at 6.
Good evening. Our top story tonight at 6. Vaccines are starting to be distributed to skilled nursing facilities in California. Thanks for joining us at 6 o'clock. I'm Veronica Macias. Governor Newsom has announced a new partnership with CVS and Walgreens. Starting today, the two pharmacies will administer the Pfizer vaccine at skilled nursing facilities. This is part of the federal COVID-19 pharmacy partnership. It's expected to take 3-4 weeks before they begin vaccinating residents and staff members at assisted living, residential care, and other long-term care facilities. About 500 nursing homes will get vaccines from CVS, and more than 350 will receive the vaccine from Walgreens. And hospitals across the Central Coast, they're continuing to administer the vaccine to healthcare workers. KION's Drew Andre joining us live tonight in Watsonville as health officials say they're getting closer to the next phase of the vaccine distribution in Santa Cruz County. Drew.
Good evening, Veronica. Here at Watsonville Community Hospital, already more than half of the workers here have received their first dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Now, nurses are starting to help immunize other frontline essential workers or frontline healthcare workers. Almost 2 weeks after the first dose of the coronavirus vaccine was administered in Santa Cruz County, already more than 1,000 healthcare workers have received the vaccine. By the end of next week, Watsonville Community Hospital expects to finish vaccinating all of its workers.
Building confidence in the staff, making them feel better that they have the vaccine. I think there's a lot of anxiety out with the staff as well as just the general public. Everybody's excited and relieved.
Throughout the week, paramedics and firefighters are being vaccinated at Dominican and Watsonville hospitals.
We're dealing with a double crisis here. We're having this kind of scarce vaccine being rolled out to the high priority groups. At the same time, our hospitals are absolutely overwhelmed at this point.
And the outbreaks at skilled nursing facilities in the county continue. Valley Convalescent in Watsonville has 39 positive residents, 19 staff, and 3 in the hospital. But help is nearing. Skilled nursing facility residents and staff are getting their vaccine this week or next, starting with Santa Cruz Post-Acute tomorrow.
With partnership with Walgreens and CVS, and they go out and actually do the injections at the sites themselves.
A smaller shipment than expected of Pfizer's vaccine showed up last week. Gillarducci says that was because of allocation issues on the federal level, but says the projected timeline is still on track.
We started vaccinating some groups in Tier 2, the high-risk groups in Tier 2 already, even though we haven't completely finished Tier 1. So that includes some of the health clinics that are doing a lot of clinical testing, that had high test positivity rates in their clinics.
Right now, the health department predicts that other critical essential workers will begin to be vaccinated around February. That will also include many people over the age of 75. Now, both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine require a second dose, and that's about 3 or 4 weeks apart. Reporting live in Watsonville tonight, I'm Drew Andre, KION News, Channel 546.